students, in the previous lecture of grammar we have completed or we have learned primary auxiliaries. Okay, am, is, are, was, were, shall, will. Okay, they are primary auxiliaries. Now in this lecture of grammar we are going to learn modal auxiliaries. So why these auxiliaries are called modal auxiliaries? They are helping verbs, but they are called modal auxiliaries because in each and every modal auxiliary there is a meaning: can, could, may, might, must, should, would. These auxiliaries expresses some kind of meaning through these each and every auxiliaries. Can expresses ability, could also expresses ability, may and might expresses possibility, should expresses advice. So each and every auxiliary expresses some kind of meaning, so they are called modal auxiliaries. They are not primary auxiliaries. Which are primary auxiliaries? Am, is, are, was, were, shall, will. Shall, will, they are also modal auxiliaries and primary auxiliaries. Okay, so first we will learn now can, could. Okay, directly we can learn from examples can, could. Okay, so can is used to express ability or sometime possibility. Ability, sometime possibility. Can or could is used ability and possibility. Okay, I think we should join it with may and might. Can, could, may and might. Okay, can, could, may and might. Okay, so let's learn examples. First one, he can cook well. Okay, he can cook well. इनमें मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी कौन सी है? Can. Okay, helping verb and modal auxiliary can. Main verb cook. Okay, what it shows? It expresses or it shows ability. He can cook well or he can cook very well. Can is modal auxiliary in the sentence. Also, it is a helping verb in the sentence. Second example, a holiday trip. A holiday trip can be expensive. A holiday trip can be expensive. Okay, trip can be expensive. It can be expensive means ability or possibility. It is possibility, not ability. So we can write here possibility. Okay, it is possibility. Can is modal auxiliary here, as usual. Then third example, I could play the guitar very well. I could play the guitar very well. Okay, so here modal auxiliary could. Okay, could is modal auxiliary here in the sentence and it expresses ability, not possibility. Okay, so I could play the guitar very well. Could, modal auxiliary, and it expresses ability. Okay, example 4, we could have we could have missed. We could have missed the plane or the train, you can say. We could have missed the train or plane. Here in this sentence, could is modal auxiliary and it expresses possibility. Keep in mind. Okay. So can, ability, can be, possibility, could, ability, and again could have possibility. So can or could, both these auxiliaries are used as a ability or possibility. Okay. Next example. You may leave now. Example number 5. You may leave now. Okay. In this sentence, which is the auxiliary? Auxiliary is may. Okay. You may leave now. It is a instruction, or you can say it is a permission. You can write instruction. Okay. Sixth example. May Sarah stay here tonight. Okay. May Sarah stay here tonight. Okay. May modal auxiliary, but it is used for permission. It is used for permission. Example number 7. We might have an extra class tomorrow. We might have an extra class tomorrow. So which is the modal auxiliary here? Might. Okay, and it expresses possibility. It expresses possibility. Okay. So may expresses permission, may expresses instruction also, might expresses possibility. Okay. Then so these are the examples of can, could, and may, might. Okay. You may leave now. This is instruction. May Sarah stay here tonight. Permission. And we might have an extra class tomorrow. Possibility. So in can, could, may, might, these are 4 auxiliaries. Can, could are mostly used to express ability. Okay. And may and might are mostly used to possibility, for possibility, instruction, permission. Okay. They are not used for mostly ability. They are used for possibility, then instruction, for giving instruction, for taking permission. May I come in, madam? This is the example of may. Okay. And this is the example of permission. Okay. We might have an extra class tomorrow. If you write may here, we may have extra class tomorrow, it will be okay. So it is used for possibility. Possibility के लिए यूज किया जाए, चाहे आप may यूज करो या might यूज करो, no problem. Okay. So these are the examples of 4 auxiliaries: can, could, may, might. Okay. So after that we will learn shall and will. Okay. Now I write here shall and will. You know that shall and will, these 2 helping verbs, are used in future tense. Okay. We write he will come in the office next week एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा। तो ऐसे एग्जांपल्स आप लिखते हो फ्यूचर टेंस में, तो इसका ऑक्सिलरी से कैसे यूज होता है, मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी, हाउ shall and will are used as a model auxiliaries। इसके एग्जांपल्स अब हम देखते हैं। मोस्टली का जो यूज है वो फ्यूचर इवेंट के लिए या फ्यूचर टेंस के लिए होता है।